Valid Palindrome 2, lead code 680. This is considered easy. So you're given an input like ABA, and you are to return true if it's a palindrome. But you are also to return true if you delete one character, like in this example, you delete C, and then it would still be a palindrome. So for this one, what we can do is the first we can just check if it is a palindrome by using two indexes. And the indexes will be like one from the front and then one from the end. If they are equal, we are going to keep incrementing them or decrementing them so we can keep moving in. And if they are not equal, we are going to check to see if we move one of the indexes up or down, if that would still return true. Index, two spaces, up or down. So the way we're going to do this is to just first check if it's a palindrome. If not, we are going to use another method. So we're going to use two indexes. This will be our first index 0, and our second index is going to be the end of the word. So it's S length minus 0. And we could do a while loop. While I is less than j, we keep going. So and if we get through this entire while loop, we are going to just return true. So we can say if s char at I is equal to s char at j, we're just going to go and look at the next letter. So that'll be I keeps going and j gets decremented. So this is really how you solve valid palindrome 1. And what you would do here is you would just say else return false. So you say like, oh, if they don't match, you're going to return false. But instead of doing that, we are just going to check if we increment twice, increment one without the other, basically. So we could say it would be check if, so that would be like adding 1 to I and not decrementing j, or vice versa, decrementing j once, not incrementing I. So let's write another method to do this. So we could just call this another Boolean, and we could just call it check. And what it's going to take is the same two indexes, int I and int j, and it's going to take that same string. And we're going to just do this. And here we're just going to say return false. And if it gets through this, we are going to return true. So this is going to be another method, which is really just like Palindrome 1. I'm going to make sure that I have the end of the solution there. So what we would say is, if we run into characters that aren't the same, we're going to say, we're going to check I plus 1. We're just going to leave j alone, and then we're going to send the string. Or check I j minus 1, and then the string. Actually, I don't have to put this in parentheses. So if either one of these are true, we're going to return true. And let's make sure that there are. So that should be it. Let me just check. And I'm just going to put all the code in one place so you can see it. Okay, that's it. Thanks.